guys, it's MaiPhammy here, and I'm back again with a new video. And today I'm gonna be doing a drive around with me and Cruz Wheeler, a mukbang, yeah, a mukbang. I don't know. But right now we're at McDonald's because I love McDonald's so much. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna order yet. I really like sausage egg McMuffins. What are we gonna talk about, Cruz?
Your post experience.
You guys would have known about this if you guys followed me on either Twitter, my spam account, or my Snapchat, which will all be on the screen right now. Go follow them. It's at maiphammy for my Twitter, my Snapchat, and it's at maisphammy for my spam account. And that's where I like post most of my things. So there's this boy that I met on the plane on my way back from Europe, and his name was Bob. We met on the plane, and we were talking for like 8 hours, whatever. We ended up still talking for like a month. So then I was like, hey, I want to go to a Post Malone concert anyways, so I'm just gonna go to Toronto for like 4 days, even though the concert was like a 1 day. Okay, hold up, we're gonna order our food. Hi, can I get a sausage and egg McMuffin meal?
What's that to drink?
Medium iced coffee. Can I get a McDouble?
Yeah.
And a junior chicken?
Yeah.
And then can I get a poutine? Can I get a snack wrap? Can I also get 4-piece chicken nugget? Can I make the junior chicken a meal with the strawberry Fruitopia? So basically, we met the boy, whatever. I was gonna go to Toronto alone. I went to Toronto alone, had nothing to do. And the Post Malone show was 2 nights. There was a Sunday and Monday night, and I only had tickets for the Monday night. So I was super bored. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Me and the Bob boy, a week before I went to Toronto, he got a girlfriend. Plans canceled, but I was gonna go to Toronto anyways, right? Okay. So, by the way, this boy was very cute, like very cute.
Like, me cute.
Okay, you can say no homo, but was he cute?
He was sexy.
He was cute. So the people next to us are probably like, what the f are you doing? Like, they're looking at me. Anyway, so I went to Toronto anyways alone. If you guys are wondering how I got there alone, I flew there and I rented an Airbnb. And I was super bored on the Sunday night, and there was the Post Malone show, and it was at the RBC Echo Beach, so it was like outside. I feel I should be explaining this when I eat because it's called a mukbang. Okay, I'll continue when I get my food, guys. Josh, want to be in the vlog? It's for a vlog. That's why I ordered so much food.
She ordered all this for herself.
Why?
Because I'm doing a mukbang for YouTube.
Okay, now you guys are gonna go park because I hate you.
Oh!
You know, my drive-through.
Okay, right, here we got the food. So we're gonna go to Noel's house and see what he's doing because he's not f***ing opening his Snapchat. So like, I'm really bored in Toronto, and then I'm like, okay, let's just go to the RBC Echo Beach where Post Malone's having his first day concert because it's outside, so like I can still listen to it or whatever. I'm standing by like where people are getting in for their tickets, and all the tickets are sold out this night, by the way, so like there's no way to buy a ticket. And next thing you know, his manager comes out, and I didn't know it was his manager at the time, but he was like, hey, do you want a free ticket? You grab the free ticket, and I vlog him. I'll insert the vlog clip here. I never ended up vlogging the rest of it. Post Malone's road manager just gave me free tickets to Post Malone.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy
the show.
I wish I could get VIP though.
You do it for the fans. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for y'all, so.
But I vlog him. He starts walking away. I'm like, hey, can I get VIP? Because there's things like VIP tickets where you like get to just stand in a certain area, I think it is. But like, it doesn't get you backstage or anything. And I think a lot of you guys got confused and thought that there was like backstage Post Malone tickets, but there's nothing like that. So I thought he was just gonna go get me a pass because he said follow me. And then next thing you know, I'm standing like next to Post Malone at his tour bus. We just hang out or whatever, go backstage for the concert.
You don't think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring on your so sick. I'm slacking. I'm falling on the song on you.
If you guys didn't follow me on Instagram, my spam account, or on Snapchat, go do that now. Pretty sure there's still videos on my spam account. And then after that, we went back to his tour bus for that night. The next morning, hung out again, went backstage. It was awesome. He has his last show in LA, which was June 28th and 29th, I think it is. So I flew to LA for that one too. It was awesome. Went backstage. No, well, not backstage because like the place was too crowded for backstage, so they just gave us tickets, but then like we all hung out after at the after party. I posted this on my spam account, by the way, so again, Go follow my Snap account if you guys want to know what's happening in my life, because I don't post it on my main Instagram. There was Post Malone, Justin Bieber, G-Eazy, Quavo, Nav, Miguel, Tyga, 21 Savage, Ray Smurd, Machine Gun Kelly, Sway Lee, YG, Madeline Petch, Chloe Moretz, Hilary Duff, Tyler Yahweh, Paris, and Roy Purdy. It was sick. And like when I was sitting in my chair, I turned around, well, because these girls beside me were like, oh my god, she's so gorgeous. So I turned around and Hilary Duff was right behind me.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know who that is.
Hilary Duff.
Yeah.
Lizzie McGuire.
Heard it. Oh.
It was just crazy. And then we were all standing there and Justin Bieber, he pulled up and I didn't even recognize it was him because he was like, he had long blonde hair, he had a bandana, he had a mustache, and he was wearing like a blue Hawaiian shirt, so I didn't recognize it was him. I don't know, I didn't say hi or anything. And then like Nav was standing beside me and I didn't know what to say, so I didn't say anything at all.